Design and technology is a really important subject for our students to study. It gives them so many transferable skills. They have to do some researching, they have to understand the needs and wants of people and why products are designed and made, as well as then leading into practical skills, and they get to use a wide range of machines and tools when they're with us in design technology. One of the A levels that we offer at Surbiton High is the Edexcel product design course in design and technology. It's a wonderful gateway for our girls to go on to courses like engineering, product design and the like. It's a massive range of those sorts of courses available to them by doing this course. Similar to GCSE, it's made up with a 50% without examination and 50% an NEA. But what I would say the main difference between this and the GCSE course is the fact that the girls really their studies are much more have an industrial context. So they'll learn things like just-in-time supply chains, they'll learn things like flexible manufacturing systems, and obviously really get involved with CAD/CAM. We do actually teach the girls to use SolidWorks, which is an industry standard version of computer design, and that feeds into all the CAD/CAM equipment that we have here, for example, laser cutters, routers, and 3D printers. So we really try to make sure that our curriculum is as modern as possible for our A-level students. With the A-level product design course, it's extremely entrepreneurial, I feel, because they are really having to look at it from a business point of view and actually make something that people are going to want and they're going to use and they're going to buy. Very often projects generally tend to be a bit bigger, but they can be whatever they want and whatever their clients deem them to be. So things like small pieces of furniture have been made. We've made TV cabinets, guitar stands, as well as other things that incorporate some electronics and more functionality into them. At Surbiton High School, we offer the AQA course in fashion and textiles for A-level. It obviously takes the learning that the girls have done in GCSE and takes it one stage further. So they're not just learning about the traditional fabrics and fibres, but also about the modern technical textiles that are now commonly used. So there's a real emphasis on digital design and industrial design and how textiles are upscaled for manufacture. And this gives the girls a real world context of the fashion and textiles industry and its place in industrial society. It's a highly creative course for the girls, and the work that they produce is just absolutely outstanding. So for example, some of our year 13 girls, their design work is being influenced by origami, by mathematical principles, and also obviously sustainable design is very highly influenced in their design work as well. The department have been on quite a wide range of trips and visits. For example, we went to Jaguar Cars recently, where the girls were able to see a modern manufacturing facility and put all their GCSE and A-level learning into context. As well as that, they were able to have a bit of fun programming some production line robots. So that was really good, and there was some cross-curricular links there. Another trip that they've done recently is to the Cockpit Art Studio up in Holborn in London. It was really amazing trip because the girls were able to see entrepreneurial designers actually starting up their own businesses, and they were working in metals, making jewellery. They were milliners there was ceramicists. So they were really able to see that all their learning could actually go on to a really viable and valuable career in the creative arts. Another trip we've recently been on is to Harry Potter World. It was a really good fun trip. We took our year 9s and 10s, and it was a chance for them to see set design going on. Obviously these amazing set models that they used before production goes into place, and also they were able to experience a textiles workshop. I think DT is just the most wonderful subject because really our students get to learn by doing. I think that's really one of our guiding principles within the department. We really want our girls to experience what the skills and the tools and the machines that they need, and actually have a go with them and learn from doing those. As a teacher and as a member of this department, what I love most is just the ever-changing world of technology. The fact we've got, for example, 3D printers in our department now, which even a few years ago were not really heard of. And so any shape or form that we want to create, we can now pretty much design on a computer screen and print out. And I think that's so exciting. And it's really exciting to think about what the next 10 or 20 years actually holds for us as a subject and what this environment will be like for the girls.